So, cotangent half angle formula. So, ayan na. Ayan na yung cotangent half angle formula. So, given yung cosine, tsaka given yung sine. Kasi cotangent is the ratio of cosine over the sine. Yun ang ratio ng cosine at saka sine. Or kasi yung tangent is sine over cosine. So, binaliktad mo siya. So, yan. 1 plus cosine theta over sine theta. Well, pag may minus 1 at saka 1 minus 1 plus 1 o 1 plus o 1 minus, yun yung nakakalimutan ko nung araw. Tsaka syempre, complex fraction, yung KCF, yun ang lagi natin nakakalimutan. So, ayan, 1/5 divided by 3/5. So, babaliktarin mo yung 3/5 magiging 5 over 3. So, simplest form, yung 5 over 15, pareho silang divisible by 5. So, in simplest form or in lowest term, parate, yung answer is laging nasa lowest term. So, 1/3. So, yun lang po.